Hey everybody, it's Craig. So we've got a rare one for you coming up. This is on the Doug Siecke estate auction. This is a 4520 John Deere diesel. And as you can see, she has been fully restored. She is factory showroom pretty. Just going to take you around it quick. We'll have a couple videos here, guys. Brand new rubber on the front. 10-16s. Brand new rubber on the rear. You can see all the nipples are still on the tires here, guys. And that is a 480 80R 38. Keep coming around the tractor here. We've got the inner heavy weights. I'm not sure the exact weight on it, guys. I can't find the stamp, but they're probably 250s, something like that. 2 hydraulics in the back, 1000 PTO. Again, the inner weight. This thing looks immaculate, guys. This was not a rattle can job. This was a professionally painted tractor. Has all the hardeners and everything you would want. This thing is absolutely beautiful. The tin works pristine. It's not just fancy camera work, guys. You really have to see this thing just to appreciate how beautiful this tractor is.